Working on the 02 Chrysler Intrepid. Had a no start condition on this car. Limp mode code, showing a crankshaft code, and can't remember the other code, but anyway, I had a no start condition. Checked if it was getting fuel. Spark was fine. Water pump went on this car. Somebody changed the water pump and the car came to me no start, and I pulled that apart. That's the first thing I pulled apart because I wanted to see what went on in there, and found out that the timing was all off. So with the timing all off, I was like, I could see everything was working. Rollers were fine on the cams and everything, except for I decided to do a pressure test, compression test, and found these cylinders on this head were not holding compression. Decided to fill up one of the piston holes with oil while the head was on, and noticed oil shooting out of the intake on this side. So I had a look in there and seen my valves being stuck open on this side. So I decided to take off the head to find out why. And that side was holding compression fine. So I pulled off the head and seen this. And if you look there, valves are staying stuck open. They're seized. The valves on this one were seized. These ones, they were all open, like wide open, and I just started banging them to loosen them up to see if they'd loosen up, but they were seized pretty good. And if you look at the coloration, I don't know if that's normal or not, but if somebody could answer back and let me know if the coloration on that is normal on these valves. I'm not going to pull the other head off. The other head's holding compression fine. But that was my no start condition. That's what was causing my no start condition. So I'm going to get another head, put it on there, try it out, put it back all together, see if it starts. And I'll let you know if it starts in the future. But some people are saying this is a poor design, and to me it's like, I think it's a cool design, cool engine. But that's it. That was my no start condition on that. Timing was all off too, but I don't think that had anything to do with it. I'm pretty sure it was that head down there. So I'm going to get another head, try it out. A lot of people say you'd have to do both heads at the same time. I imagine you would, just to keep everything the same. But I'm going to try and replace one head, see how it works. Or if I could find two heads the same, I'll try them out. And if nothing works out, then change the whole engine. But I believe this engine is still good. I don't see no scratches in the firewalls. Got dust in there, but I'll clean that out. That was just from pulling the head, some dust fell off in there. But thanks for watching. That's my no start condition on the 02 Intrepid 2.7 liter.